Today I'll teach you how to fix your missing features on TikTok. So if some of the features are missing on your TikTok, then you can follow the step. You can click on profile at the bottom right and click on the 3-line at the top. And then go inside settings and privacy and then scroll all the way down and click on free up space. Click on clear for the cache and click on clear, your cache will be cleared. Now for downloads, click on clear, and all your downloads will be cleared. Now after this, just close your TikTok app and open it again and your problem should be fixed. Some of the feature that was missing should be available. And if the feature is not available still, then what you can do is delete your TikTok app and reinstall it again. But sometimes deleting and reinstalling your app will delete the bug that is causing the problem, and when you're reinstalling TikTok, you will be reinstalling the new updated version of TikTok, which means you're going to receive all the new features as well along with the update, and your problem should be fixed. And remember that some features are only available country specific, which means if you're in US and the filter or like the feature is only available in India, then you're not going to be able to access it because you're in a country where the filter is not available. So you also need to check if the feature is available in your country or not, right? Because if it is a new feature, then TikTok will slowly start to put the feature one by one in one country. So in your country as well, it'll come in the future. You just have to be patient. So that's how we guys can fix this issue. Just hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.